good afternoon, good morning if you're out here in the Pacific Standard Time, California time. It's about 10 a.m. right now. We just walking. Hills are looking surprisingly green for how hot it's been. Little patches of brown, but basically wherever they cut the hills turn green. Got to remember to trim, cut off that dead weight so you can grow new. Allergies acting up a little bit from the dust and the dirt, but it's a beautiful day out here, y'all. Y'all see me? What's up? Going well. Just wanted to check in. I know the past 15 streams haven't had audio when I'm gaming. Wish y'all would have let me know about that. Not many people tuning in, I guess. And the ones that were maybe thought I wasn't talking. Y'all missed some rare bass freestyles. Especially during the Simpsons live event. I was doing some Simpsons freestyles. They were doing Nightmare Before Christmas in the shop. I was doing the this is PsiloSage, this is PsiloSage, PsiloSage, whole Nightmare Before Christmas Silo freestyle that y'all missed, unfortunately. Lost to time. Basically was to my own self, or to the self. You know, never feel bad when your art goes to the Most High. That's where it's meant to go anyways. Other people appreciating it is always just extra. Y'all see how the light refracts, rainbow prisms and isms, organisms and prisms. You know, free to cells, open the box, let the mind free. Let the mind free, let the mind free. You know, I'm free, let the mind free. I said, I'm free, so let the mind free and let it be. What do you see? Everything is being, buzzing, breathing. Can't you see it? We've been steezing. Gotta love the sunlight. I love the sunlight. It's only right. You know, the PsiloSage and the light. Starlight, star bright. That's the first star I see today. Only star I see today. Shouts out to Ra, ancient Egypt. Shout out to Greece. Shouts out to Mesopotamia. Shouts out to Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, all the beautiful places. Or should I say Syria, or should I say Vietnam, Indonesia, Palestine. What was the name of Iran before it was Iran? I'm trying to shout that out, but I can't think of it right now. They speak Farsi out there. You don't know what I'm talking about. Beautiful hills. Especially when we got questions, you know, we got to ask ourselves some things. We need guidance. Got to feel the dirt under our ground. Get grounded. You know, to help with the sounds. And you can't have nice sounds if you're not grounded. How you gonna hear the bass? Bass for your face. Everyone make some noise. We got the moon right in front of us. I don't think y'all can see that. But, oh yeah, y'all can see it behind us now. Little moon. It looks a little here, but it's quite large in the sky. Quite large in the sky. The moonlight. You know, we just kicking rocks, walking the hills, getting grounded, finding that peace. Happy Sunday. We in the sunlight. Speaking of the light, check out the new Silo single called See the Light. Should be out on all streaming platforms by now. real trippy song. Halloween vibes. It's a leak from Hillz Have Eyes 3, which I wasn't able to complete on time for Halloween, but yeah, we'll see that eventually. Eventually, they growing something, look. Baby palm tree. Hello, baby palm tree. Shout out a damn killer. He on the coochie coochie coo, baby palm tree. Swag. Walking on some rocks right now, some gravel. Seeing planes fly by, seeing the hills. Not much wind right now. We are seeing the mountains, birds flying by. We'll be walking and talking. What's on y'all mind? Y'all got any questions for PsiloSage? Any ideas you want to share? Vibes, news? What's up with y'all? Gotta get a selfie stick. Maybe by 2026, y'all, we'll have a solo selfie stick so y'all can see from a better angle, like somewhere out here, you know, that I can actually do while I'm walking without looking crazy. Crazy sagey. PsiloSage is in the matrix. Blessed to be able to be outside, you know, freely, walking freely, sun in the face, fresh air, so many blessings, free wealth all around. Headed towards the treetop. Little ritual that Sage got. Go tap in with the oak tree. And then head back down towards earth. Usually the head's pretty clear by that point. Blood's flowing. It's a little yoga. My phone's getting hot though. Sun's hitting it, direct heat, and then it's hot in general. I'm sweating. We got some soon-to-be tumbleweeds. Well, these ones are tumbleweeds. But see that bush? That's about to be a tumbleweed. About to be a tumbleweed. That's about to be a tumbleweed. Getting that work in, y'all. All you're hearing is the breathing. That's good though, the breath. Really shouldn't be breathing out my mouth though right now. But my nose is pretty stuffy. Saw a bird with a rare orange tail. Reddish orange tail. Reminded me of a ho-oh. Oh, oh, a whoa, whoa. Yeah, we on mission. Alright, y'all made it to the tree. Prayers in the air. Life's never been fair. Hope one day we can communicate. Till then, I'll just wait. Get my life straight. Never hate. Still growing. Love. Alright, y'all. Headed back. Normally I'd allow myself some water at this point, but we're okay for now. Maybe about halfway back down and get some water. Whew. Y'all can see, whoa, mountain range. Yup. Still need a phone case. Don't even have a phone case, y'all. Phone case and a selfie stick. But until then, still got PsiloSage stream, still got stream of consciousness. That's all we really need. Still got my face, my profile. Profile slow as I cruise the city. Profile slow as I cruise the city. Shout out to B. Cruising the hills. Now we feeling the wind on the way down. Feels good. The wind feels nice. And I'm gonna be high. I can't hit that note. Like a rocket man. I said I'm gonna be high. Like a rocket man. Like a rocket man. Can y'all hit that note? I don't know how they do that. I just got a damn near whisper in the back of my throat. Trying to hit that. But I do it for y'all. You can clip that if you want, whatever. Auto-tune it for me. Loop that for me. Make a beat out of that for me. It's like George Foreman. Cooking up on the grill. You got skills, you know, life been real. But I hold the seal. Don't let it out till the drought. Now it's a water spout. Y'all happy we saved the geysers. We plugged the stream till the hatred beings left the scene. Now I mean, spitting simply. Reduce that fraction. Y'all can't stand the faction. I got tactics. Stretch like elastic. Manufacture the new basket. It holds a lot of blessings. Carry me down the river, my spine quiver. Watch them shiver, temperature change. That's the pressure. PsiloSage, you work under pressure, born under pressure. Developed in all kind of weather. Whether we up, we down, we moving around with the sound. Never been a sad clown, way too happy. Speaking out new standards. The district gonna have to adapt. Yeah, I'm a teacher, not a preacher. But if you want to listen, you can record it like that. New scriptures. Yeah, we loving life. Shouts out to the flowers. They giving me powers. All forms and geometries. Why stop what you never seen? Till it's too late, they see me on the scene all at once, 1,000 forms. Shadow clone jutsu. You know, we breaking social norms. Hit them with the storm, the rain's coming. Rain shall fall. You know we summon that water cause the earth need it. I believe it. Let it flow, let it flow, let it drip, let it go. Off the top, my streams as rare as they go. Thanks for tuning in, y'all already know. It's a rare show, it's still a show for sure. Y'all know I show my face, it's too easy. We relax and we breathing. Whoa, almost tripped over a speed bump, moving too fast. In life you might crash. Everything's symbolic, the birds talking straight knowledge. I hope you can hear it. It's all a part of my spirit. Bigger than myself, bigger than my wealth. Standing on my health. Y'all hear these birds? Shouts out to the hawks and the eagles and the seagulls and the crows. Y'all knows where we go. Hidden pyramids in these hills, they never dug up. It's all good, we the fungus, we sprung up. Mycelium, past the ceiling, we've been sealing it up. Feeling it down. Still in my old town, bringing new sounds from all around the globe. We world-based. What can I say? I stay in space, spaced in space, till the end of the race. Whole new orbit. Watch the orbs in the sky to guide you where you need to go. Shout out J Electronica, you already know. Let's go.